gonna enjoy it a lot. Oh yeah, I shit like a king now. Yep. I just finished my new outhouse. It was a really quick job, but I needed it fast, so there it is. It'll be good. It's gonna be good for this winter. All right. Yeah, so today might be the last day that I come to the cabin with the four-wheeler, because tonight we're expecting a nice big snowstorm. It's gonna start tonight, and we're Tuesday today, so it's gonna last until Friday. So lots of snow, blowing snow, and all the nice winter stuff. So I'm gonna get the skidoos out, and that's gonna stay home. So yeah, right now I brought that stuff. I only have one can. I hope it's gonna be enough. So I need to do some cracks. Like I don't know if you can see, but right in those, between the logs there, I'm gonna take the old insulation out and put the spray foam instead, because I think it's a nice place for the mice to travel. It looks like they come in and they get in there, so I don't want some mouse shit everywhere again. And it looks like they already came. You can see there's a little hole right there. Those little fuckers, they find holes everywhere, and there's shit on my table. So yeah, I'm gonna put that stuff, and I forgot the mouse trap. I'll have to put a mouse trap later on today. So we'll do that to start. The crack is worse than I thought. Like you see a lot of daylight. I'll see how the foam works. Lots of cracks in that camp. Oh well. There won't be any cracks when I'm done with it, but it might be not before next year. It's gonna take a while. Alright, well, I guess I just ran out of foam, so I'll do a little trip to the store and get a few more cans, because I have to finish that part. There's a lot more cracks. There's cracks under, and the whole wall there. So yeah, I'll go get some more, and we'll finish it this afternoon. Okay, so before I go back to the camp, I decided to get that thing out, because with that snowstorm coming, well, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get out. So that thing, 1998 VK540. The story with it is that a few years ago I blew the motor, and I had a 1991 Arctic Cat, a cheetah, with a 500 in it, and look at that. So that Arctic Cat motor is in my Yamaha. It usually takes a bit of gas in the spark plugs, but I didn't bring any, so we'll see if it's gonna start. So yeah, I'll get some gas and put some gas in the spark plug. Alright, I'm back with some gas. Something I didn't mention is that I never changed the spark plugs in that machine. Well, in that motor anyway. The other motor was blowing spark plugs like crazy, but that one, old spark plugs, never changed them. Alright, is it gonna start? That should be interesting. Oh, I think it's kaput. Mother. Okay, I'm back, and I went to the store and I bought a different kind. I'm gonna try this one. It's for large. It looks like it's larger gap than it was with that one, so hopefully it's gonna work. We'll try it right now. See what it does. I need more cracks. Show me some cracks. I'll find more cracks. Eventually, I have a big fucking crack right there. Alright, I'm done with that can. I did whatever I could find. So I know there's a lot more to do, but would have to get all that insulation out first. And I think it's gonna stay like that for this winter. So yeah, my plan for next spring is I wanted to do it this fall, but I won't have time. Yeah, there's too much to do. But my plan is to do a little frame on top of that wall, 2-inch thick, and get some spray insulation, and I'll spray the walls with that, and it's gonna kind of seal the walls so nothing can come in, and all the dust and whatever can come in, and the cracks, it's gonna hopefully fill the cracks between the logs, so I don't have any bugs and mice and a lot of dust. So hopefully next spring, that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna look nice, and I'll put a plywood on top of it. I know the look, the log cabin look is really nice. I wish I could keep it, but it's too old. The cracks are there's too many cracks. and I guess it shrunk a bit, so it's full of dust, and who knows how many bugs or mouse shit and stuff like that. So anyway, it's gonna look good, and we'll do that next spring. Look at that old rocking chair that I got. I know the cushions are ugly, but they won't be ugly like that for long. I'll cover them with something else. Holy shit, that chair is so comfy. Like, oh, it's oh my god, it's comfy. It's like the perfect fit for me. So anyway, I got it for the cabin, and oh wow, I'm gonna enjoy it a lot. So yeah. Good morning. Look at all that snow. Oh yeah, we got hit pretty hard. Yeah, it was a 3-day storm. We got about around, I would say, 50 centimeters of snow. And the highway was closed for 3 days, and yeah, this is how it looks like. So like I said in the other video, it was my last ride with the four-wheeler. Well, this is why. Look at all that snow. Yeah, so got the Tundra out, and it's gonna be the Tundra for now until spring. So I'll make a fire, a little cleanup, because it's a mess inside. And today we'll have a few beers with my wife. It's Sunday, so yeah, it's a little mess. So I'll do a little cleanup and get that place warm. Alright, so yeah, today I need to go break some trails. So we have some nice walking trails, and it snowed a lot, so might as well go do that, and we'll have nice trails to walk. But yeah, that's our walking trail. Gonna need to come with the drag, and because right now it's impossible to walk. All right, I'll continue. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.